Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on auto brightness of our lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. Right now our lock screen looks like this. We have our permanent clock. So settings, lock screen, and always on display. At the bottom we have auto brightness. By default it should be turned on, but when it's not, the option to turn or turn off is right here. What does auto brightness do? So when auto brightness is off, you can adjust the brightness manually by double tapping the clock on always on display. But we want auto brightness to be on, so we just use this slider here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.